Doodles like this are selling for more than $100,000. And as you can see, there's nothing complicated about them. They go from a very basic template and with very small modifications. Anyone could do this sketch here, and this collector is selling it for over $42,000. Only these 6 simple stickmen. And there are hundreds of thousands of more examples I could show you. But let's see how you can make something like this with ProfitNFT. So first we're going to head into our NFT creator right here, where we're going to make good use of all of these doodles and different images we have to create our very own collection. As you can see, you have a bunch of options you can go for, but I'm going to go ahead with doodles and just going to modify them a bit so I can have a base template and then just modify it into thousands of different designs. So let's just go with this doodle right here. I can enlarge it a bit. And then by using something as simple as clouds, for example, I can make it unique. So I can sell it in different forms. So we're just going to add a bit of blur effect here. And then if I want to, I can also add some stars. I can just make it as unique as possible. Obviously, I can also add a bunch of other doodles, but I'd rather keep them for other NFTs. We can also draw right over it if we want to. I'm not going to do that right now. Add a bunch of filters to make it even more unique, or add our very own NFTs from our computer. Once we're done and we're happy with how it looks, we just click on save, download it to our computer, and then go over to our NFT minter. Once it's been uploaded, we make note of this URL that ProfitNFT makes for us. Now, all we have to do is connect our wallet right here. And as you can see, it's been automatically connected for me. And if we check it, we'll see we have some Ethereum in it. Now we're going to put in the links that ProfitNFT made for us. And lastly, we're going to click Mint NFT. This will open up our MetaMask wallet, as we can see right here. And here we're going to be able to mint the NFT. So we're going to select everything that MetaMask needs from us. And once we're ready, we're just going to click on confirm, and we're going to be sent to this page right here, which shows our transaction, our NFT on the blockchain. So we have the contract right here already generated for us, and we can use this to start earning from it, to start earning Ethereum from it using this smart contract right here and following our training. So take advantage of ProfitNFT today, and I can't wait to see you inside.